It's gonna be
What about me?
Yeah. Hi. Hey. You feeling sad?
Yeah.
Why? This is the last day. It's okay. You have memories. You bought stuff. I'm sure you hugged a car cat or two. Yeah. Yeah, I did too.
We need to bring back Wayward Swagabond. Hello, bitch.
Hi.
Wayward Swagabond.
Wayward Swagabond.
Why? Are you still watching our stuff?
And also there's someone else over there watching.
Oh, okay.
When you guys actually leave, then I'll just...
Okay. I'm gonna get up and sing.
Yeah, Jade's been taping for like 10 minutes.
Hey. Hi, Grandpa.
Hello.
What's this? This is my new granddad.
Are you hiding me now?
This is my new
I'm
granddad?
hiding you. I'm so ashamed.
Grandpa, is this my new granddad?
Jade, that's good.
No.
Are you sure?
Oh,
He's cute. Oh no, what happened?
I think they're angry.
Ah. Hi, Jade.
Hey.
I can't see well because my camera is like, okay. Hey.
coming back. Yeah, I'm coming back.
Are you sure it's not my new granddad?
No, it is. It is. They are married.
It's like the ideal season.
They're married and married.
Like
I feel really bad for these people that were vendors because I guess apparently
you're supposed to like.
Oh, I'm in your shadow. It's just like this, my shadow's in your face, and it's like
horrible Kanaya.
you're a beautiful Kanaya. Kanaya, look at your cuties. Oops. Look at your cuties' faces. Look at that. Look at this. This is your cuties. Why do you have a stop button on here?
This train.
Did Dave do something? There's a hand?
No, it keeps sliding up, so I might as well.
That's true. I don't have one.
If I had a light button, I would be using that, but...
Hi.
We left all this Homestuck trash here.
We're waiting for you.
Here's the tray.
That wasn't salty.
I don't have money.
$2 for people in costume.
Really?
Yeah.
I didn't bring my wallet, but if you pay me,
dude, check that out.
pay you back when you get back.
Woo, planes! I guess the air show's happening.
Yeah.
Oh, there it went.
Snowbirds BX. Yo, I'm digging the Harley Quinn. Hey.
Oh, wow.
That's really cool.
Slim dash. Sorry.
Don't say it out loud because I'm recording. Now I will know. Well, you already know mine. Never mind.
Yeah.
Jake, what's your Tumblr?
No, I'm recording. Say it quietly.
Slim. Why am I saying it?
Well, I'm putting it on YouTube. I mean, everyone will know then.
I don't care. More followers.
That's a good thing. That's right.
Okay, what is
Say
it?
Oh
it.
gosh.
Say it.
Get out of my face.
No.
Slim dash and then shady spelled with a D-I-E. So.
Put the link up. If you're going to follow me, I'll follow you after.
I should.
Like,
Yeah,
we
give
should
it to me.
write down all of our Tumblrs.
Right on my hand. No, I don't know. I have nowhere to write it.
Me too. I should have brought
Yeah,
you probably ask everyone for
I have a parent.
No, yes, I did.
all
I
I
asked
have,
if they were all okay. You're all okay with this on YouTube, right? Yeah, I did. Don't worry. Are you okay with it? Yeah.
I just think.
Don't worry. I made sure. I always double check. Because
Did I
people aren't
like
comfortable out here.
No, you're good.
That is totally my spot.
It is just
Well, now it's Trash Dave's
Or else
spot.
just
the
cut
cool
that
gods
piece of
here is
tape.
taking your spot.
Excuse me. Oh my god.
Marilyn Monroe.
Oh my god. This is not working. I'm gonna sit somewhere. I can't even sit anywhere because it's stupid. Okay. Put my hand there. No one saw anything. This is not working. Jade, help me.
There.
Yeah, now the freaking wind comes.
There we go.
Now the wind comes. Where's John? There's no John here. That's what is happening. He's doing the windy thing now. I'll transfer him back. I'm gonna take it off. Say bye.
Bye.